We're making homemade empanada pastry shells, whatever you want to call them. Get you some maseca, which is lard, and work it through the flour. This is 3 cups to 4 cups of flour because I have to make a lot of these. You work it through until it become a crumbly consistency. So my sister just found the pack in her freezer and she said they're called empanada disc. So I don't want nobody coming for me because I said shells. So work that masaca through and make sure there is like flaky. You want flakiness because this is a pastry puff. Gradually add hot or warm water in and don't make it doughy. This is not bread. Here I am adding the water a little at a time because it is a little warm, way warmer than I intended it to be, but it's okay. You want the gluten to be relaxed. Right here I am squeezing the flour to get all the moisture out of any dry flour from any water that I poured in, and I'm trying to bring it together. These are the flakes we want through our disc. We want those flakes all in through. These empanadas are so good. Once you bake these, oh, those flakes come through so well. It's like layers of happiness. This is why you want to come bring it together as so. This is what you want to do. Okay, you see that? Look at that. Flakes, not a doughy. Okay, let that sit for a little bit. We don't want to add our cold butter to hot dough. You get what I'm saying? Okay, you got me. All right, we got it. So, with cool hands, not hot hands, cool hands, let's work the butter through the dough because we want buttery flakes. We want to get the flavor of the butter all in through the empanada disc because they're going to have layers. Let's say, for an example, a croissant with layers. We want buttery flakes. So I'm going to press this together and make it come together and combine it very well, like a dough ball. You don't want any dry parts in there. This water has cooling off, so it's no longer warm or hot. So it's okay. It's safe to say you can add just some more water, but make sure that it's cool water, okay? We don't want to melt that butter. So my sister wanted some color like they sell at the store. So with best efforts, I'm trying to please her by adding, if you like, I wouldn't recommend it because this will turn your hands yellow unless you're working with some cooking gloves. Add you a Goya packet, make you a ball. Let's hope your ball is much smoother than mine. See those flakes? We want those layers right there. wrap it, and once it's completely wrapped, we're going to set it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I kept mine in probably longer than that. Here is my chicken that I seasoned, and I will put in the oven for my empanadas. It's so good. I'm trying my best to stop eating this. I gotta hurry up and go. I'm gonna let all this cool down. Look at that. There's so much flavor. Look at that skin. It just looks so good. That's it. After church, it allowed my chicken enough time to cool down and shred it for the filling of the empanadas. After shredded, I add diced tomato, green chili, cilantro, a can of sliced potatoes. What else I got up in there? Oh, okay, some black beans and some corn. Goya pack for just some pretty color. The chicken is already well flavored, so it doesn't need any more seasonings. I try to stay away from salt as much as possible, but it's not needed because I already got my combination together on what I like to season my chicken with. I have to follow my own instructions. I had left these in for over an hour when I was supposed to left them in for 30 minutes. These were really hard to roll out, so I skipped that process. And this is the finished result before frying, okay?
It's Sunday already? Like, come on, bro. Wow. What happened?
How flaky and pretty. What, you supposed to look small?
Yes.
Was you ever? Asking the question.
You a hater.
But I'm just saying.
Yes, I was skinny in my heyday.
How you gonna be small and pregnant? That don't make sense. I want to see the inside. You supposed to break it in the middle.
I
You
didn't.
eating it so proper.
I just my crust broke, and I was just wanting to see what it tastes like.
Okay.
It was juicy.
Yeah, I like the juice.
It was dripping.
Be careful, it might be hot.
It is hot.
Oh.
Right.
Baby gonna kick you.
Already.
Yeah, she gonna be like, what's that?
Almost done.
Oh, look at that.
It smells good.
It's gonna smell good. Don't play with me. I wish I would have recorded that, but I don't want to put your face on that. How it tastes?
So good.
Do it taste a little buttery? Because I put a lot of butter in there. I was afraid.
A little bit of butter in here?
Yeah, the pastry is lard and butter. That's what's giving it flakes.
What?
Yeah.
This flavorful is good.
Play is funny.
Your daughter.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but your daughter.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh my goodness. She's not your daughter. She has another mom.
I'm her mom.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.